as I would say in Monty Python world, and now for something completely different. I have a portable air conditioner. Just bought, and they give you instructions for installing the panel into either a horizontal sliding window or a vertical sliding window. The kit comes with a piece like this. So the hose from the air conditioner unit is going to come up to eject the hot air out of the unit into this panel, which you're to mount in your horizontal. Move up your horizontal slash, put this piece in, and then the sash would come down onto here. That's great. Or if you have a vertical window, open the vertical window, insert this into the vertical, and seal it up, and it comes with foam tape. A couple of packs of this foam tape, so you can do all that. The problem is, as you can see by my window, it's a crank out. Not vertical sash, not horizontal sash, but a crank out window. And there's no way of mounting this and trying to seal up the whole outside world of air using the contents of the kit. So what I came up with is a sheet of plexiglass. I've drilled a hole here, so this panel is going to fit on here. Drilled a couple of 3 little tiny holes here. I'm just going to hang this. This piece of plexiglass is the exact same size as the screen that I took out. So I've taken the screen out. This piece will fit up like this, and I'll just put in the 3 screws, little tiny screws. And the piece that came with the kit, I cut to the exact size that's going to fit between this window. I had to then, this was the original cut piece, I had to duplicate that on the other end after I cut it. Not a big deal there. So this piece will fit just like that. Again, we'll just drill a few little holes just to mount this securely so it doesn't move. Okay. And again, like I did up at the top of the plexiglass, we'll just put those screws in. I want to line up this plate, of course, with the hole that I cut in here, and you'll notice I put a little bit of foam in here. Okay. This is the panel that comes with the kit that adapts from the hose. There's the hose to the outside panel. Those just get clips in place. Open up the window. So now the only access the outside is through there. I'll hook up the air conditioner right there, and we'll have some beautiful, cool bedroom for sleeping. So I hope you enjoyed that, and subscribe for more interesting videos, car related, home related. Who knows where it's going to go, but thanks for watching. Okay, so here's the unit, the portable unit. It's a 12,000 BTU unit, Danby unit, picked up from Costco for about 400 bucks. I think the previous week they had it on for $100 off, but we missed that sale. But anyway, it plugs into the wall, has a remote control, and the hose just comes off the back and into the hose there. There's the foam seal I was mentioning. It doesn't focus very well, but there's the foam seal there. So here's the unit running in cool mode. It's set for 20 degrees. The room right now was 25. It's down to 22 now. It's been running for an hour or so. So it's working great. Pretty easy install. The only thing I might add is a screen on the outside of the, pull the hose out and put a screen there just so the bugs and the critters don't crawl down the hose. Other than that, it's been great. As I said before, subscribe for more fun videos, and just have fun. Thanks.